Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I'm doing a chart of the day today for free. You know why? Because I am. Okay, so Roku, 3 days in a row, the stock's up. From the bottom here on Wednesday to today, this is a 17% move, and that's pretty big. Not typically for Roku when it's in a big move, but it's still in this consolidation phase here. So I look at that as a pretty significant move. But here's the deal. Let me get rid of this. I don't know why it's there, but it doesn't need to be there anymore. Here's the deal. It's been on volume. This, Thursday volume was a little bit, it was higher than the 10-day, lower than the 50-day moving average. So we'll say it's right at, say, average volume. But then the following day on Friday, this was up. And if you remember, that was quad-teenth day, quad expiration, which only happens, that quadruple witching thing. It only happens 4 times a year, last Friday of every quarter. And so this stock was up, and it was up good, while a lot of them were down. And then today, this thing runs even more. So I look at this as institutional buying, and I really, really like this pattern. This is, it's more than just a pattern, ooh, flat triangle. No, this is a real long little cup here, so to speak. And what it shows is there's kind of some orderly distribution here. Fell a bit, more than a bit, especially if you're holding it. And now there's like an orderly accumulation. And so what we're looking for is for all this supply at this level to get exhausted, boom, and then we'll see a move to the upside. I think this could be coming any time now. It's not going to wait, in my view, not going to wait for earnings in a month and a half or so. I think this stock just continues to run. So you might want to look at this tomorrow. I'd say if it's up above 185.79, so we'll call it 185.80. Yeah, I keep them that tight. Then I think you go ahead and buy the stock and look for another up day. I just like the way it's kind of coming out of the squeeze here. Bollinger Bands are expanding. What's not to like? Anyway, so hope this helps. Okay, so anyway, sorry I got a junk call. Somebody calling me about some free solar thing that I get in California now. Happily, I already have solar panels, and so I'm very, very green. Anyway, so this I think is going to continue to move. One thing I want to do is urge you, go ahead and try Stock Market Mentor. First 30 days are free. And the reason I'm emphasizing that is because what I'm going to be doing tomorrow, be perfectly honest with you, is talking to Tom, one of our, one of our tech guys who does programming, and I'm going to have him cut that to 7 days. I just think, frankly, it's a waste to give somebody 30 days of a free trial. And that's not because I disrespect you or anything else. It's just like if you can't figure out what's going on in 7 days or so, then it's probably not for you. And that's the way I think. So that's going to happen tomorrow. Well, maybe not tomorrow. Again, just total transparency. It might take them a day to get it set up, but I'm definitely having that conversation with them. So if you're looking for the first 30 days free, or I think you got to pay $7.77, then check that out now, okay? If you don't want to, that's fine. I don't know you, so I can't be offended. See you later.